Alright, we're getting some break-in miles on the new rebuilt engine for the gear up. Need to take it super easy for the first 400 or 500 miles and change the fluids, get the oil change. We'll go ahead and change the transmission fluid as well, just change everything. Make sure it's in perfect shape. So hopefully you've seen the videos that I put together on the engine rebuild itself. We worked with Ski Jablonski at TriQuest Cycles and watched his amazing craftsmanship as he broke down the Ural and put it back together. It's quite fun to watch. It's not meant to be a tutorial. Maybe you pick up some tips and tricks, but it's just amazing to watch somebody with such skill and knowledge about these bikes go through it and fix, diagnose, and troubleshoot the issues. So that was awesome. And we love Ski. He's going to be retiring. He's already ordered his Ural for his retirement. And he's going to close down his shop, and we will miss him tremendously. He's been a bedrock of the Ural community and just an all-around kick-ass guy. And love hanging out with him. Learn a lot from hanging out with Ski, just chatting up, talking to him about his life and what he's done, and getting to learn a lot about Urals and the history and how to work on them. So, way to go, Ski, you're amazing. So to the best of my knowledge, if you're wondering what I did to this thing to burn up the cylinders, what really put it over the edge was some really heavy traffic in the Bay Area. That was just completely stop and go, and the motor got really hot and there was nowhere to pull over. But I think I already had a crack in one of the rings on the piston, and it was making the other piston work a lot harder. Whatever it was cooked. So we had to take it into TriQuest immediately, and Ski was able to work his magic, and now the Ural is back up and running. Thank goodness, because we love this Ural. It is finicky, it is underpowered, but it is an absolute blast. So I highly recommend riding Ural. It's perfect for social distancing. I cannot put my hands on my face. I cannot put my hands on Sydney's face. She cannot put her hands on her face. And if she sneezes, it's going to stay inside of her helmet. The Ural is perfect. In fact, I've already got the lift sign on it. Maybe this should be a lift vehicle. People can bring their own helmet, sit in the sidecar, and they will be safe. At least from getting sick. All right. I think we're going to be out of luck, but who knows, Sid? We're going to our favorite Boba Tea place. See if they're open and can do a little takeout for us. Please, 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 please. Is it open? Oh, yes.
Can you just go in?
Yes. What would you like?
Green milk tea with boba.
Green milk tea with boba? Coming right up. So we're at Pearls, Boba, and Shave Ice. We love it. Be right back.